searching for a trail to follow again. Take me back to the night we met, and then I can't tell myself what the hell I'm supposed to do. And then I can't tell myself not to ride along with you.
I want to talk about the build for a second. You know, it's been really fun making videos and editing them. I almost like that more than cars, or they're equivalent, but I've always had a love for cameras and editing videos. Sometimes people don't know this, but in the background when I'm watching what I'm editing, and then I rewind and watch how it all, the music and the video and the progress that I'm making with the build just all add up together. Sometimes it can get very emotional for me. I'm like, I'm doing this, I'm building that, that's me doing the so-and-so job in the video, that's me editing this video. And when it just combines, it's really beautiful. Like, it's something that I don't want to stop doing. I really hope my daughters can find something they love, that they can feel the same way how I do when I'm making a video. Like, it's just amazing feeling where you feel like you're achieving and making progress and becoming a better, newer version of yourself, because you never saw yourself leaving that comfort zone. You know, it's been really fun making videos, seeing how much I'm learning and growing with this build. YouTube has taught me a lot of getting out of my comfort zone, and don't plan to stop. It's been amazing so far. A couple of weeks ago I was talking about, wow, I reached 200 followers or subscribers on YouTube. Now we're at 250. It's like, even the little things like that, 250, you know, no one's like, he's just at 250. But to me, it's like, dang, it's growing. It's growing, and I'm growing. That being said, I'm just not setting any limits, and with no limits, I am starting to see a final vision of the build. And I was originally planning on rebuilding this car here in Utah, but I know that there's some top quality builders out there that their vision is actually higher than a local car event, and that event is called SEMA. I really feel like the amount of hours and dedication that I'm putting into this car, that this car will be a worthy car to reveal in SEMA. And I should really learn to continue to set the standards that high with myself, with my videos, and this car. I really feel like we're at a point where I don't know too many people in Utah are setting this level of builds here or building cars to this standard, but I'm excited to hopefully get this car entered into SEMA and reveal it there. That would be just awesome. Like, unload it from the trailer, put a black blanket over it where no one can see it, and then the next day at a certain time people can gather around, and that's when we just take the blanket off. I know it's not going to be some Honda Civic with your Tesla motor inside the engine bay, but it's going to be to the vision how I've always imagined it as a kid, you know. So that's what I'm going to go for. I'm going to try to set this car as a SEMA build. This radiator support right here is slightly bent on this spot right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the spots welds out and then grind it off, but I do not need this support right here. got the step drill bit. Hopefully I can remove this bottom radiator support before I go get the girls, which should be like in the next hour and a half. So really want to knock this out so tomorrow I can focus on starting to shave the engine bay. Got it. Let's see that this is where it was spent. Well, got it out. Getting this step drill bit, this one, definitely made the job so much easier. Wish I had it from the very beginning, but this thing is the shit. One thing that I need to drill out while I'm here is this piece right here. I have no need for it. It just looks ugly. Honestly, I don't want it at all. So while I'm here, I'm gonna hurry and drill those, what is it, 6 off, and then should be good to go. Ta-da! This next scene can get very repetitive. It's very, how can I say it? There's a lot of the same thing happening. It's just a process, a step required or necessary for me to take in order to start welding the engine bay and clean up the seam seals the way I want to clean them to give it the smoother look that I desire for the engine bay. So right now what you'll see in the following part of the video is me just taking the whole engine bay down to bare metal. Once it's all down to bare metal, I probably won't do it this video, but then I'll start applying the rust preventative, applying a new seam seal, and most likely, and then I will be welding all the extra factory holes that I don't need in the engine bay, which is mostly all of them. And so that's going to be exciting. The other part, I guess, that I want to bring up and mention is I'm finally in a point with this build where there is no more, how can I say it? There's no more, oh, I wish I would have done it right the first time. All of those first times, I wish I would have done it right the first time, we're done and we're over and we're through those messy parts. Now we're at a point where the car is going to start taking shape and form, and we're giving it the desired look that we want to give it. So I'm very excited to be there, because to be repeating the same thing over and over a couple months later, just huge chunk of waste of time. And I'm glad to be finally where we're at here, and we know what the finished product is going to look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this next part of the video, and I'll leave it at that.
But sing about you. Kinda funny how my world still revolves around you. Even though you ain't a thought in my head, my eyes still catch glimpses in my bed. Cause shorty, I don't drink about you, but I scream about you. Kinda funny how I'm still terrorized by you. Even though there ain't no drop of love left, I still taste you and things unsaid. So maybe we can go away. I mean, maybe I should leave, run away from this place that I create. Every pain, every little fucking struggle, every piece never placed in the puzzle. Another fucking night, fucking over my life. You can scream, you can scratch, or maybe